Hi, I'm Max from Nightshot, and in this video I'm going to talk about our brushless motor upgrade for the Nerf Rival Perses that can do left and right curve shots. So what we did was we laser scanned the Perses cage that has these normal brushed DC motors to make a 3D printed copy of it, except we modified it so that it would hold these 225 brushless motors and its corresponding flywheel. We also made a custom PCB driver for the ESCs of the brushless motor so that we could control the left and right motor speeds independently, which is what you can see here on this digit display. This meant that we could add preset buttons to either side of the Perses, and so long as you're holding them, they create an imbalance between the left and right motor speeds that allow you to make curved shots.
So first I'll do some straight shots and then I'll hold the button on the sides to hopefully show you some curve shots. I was initially shooting at our target over there, which we've designed, but the light wasn't letting us show the curve shots very well.
Now this is our ESC Driver PCB that allows us to increase and decrease our left and right motor speeds independently. And we've got some preset buttons that let us choose between whatever motor speeds we've saved as our preferences. So for example, if I switch between a 3S and a 4S battery, this being the 3S, note the voltage and the sound. Going to a 4S battery, because it has a higher voltage, it will have a higher RPM at the same speed setting. So if we wanted to keep the same FPS, we could just use the preset and that might give us the same FPS using the 4S. So now let's take a look under the hood to see how everything is connected. This is our 3D printed cage that holds the brushless motors, the flywheels. These are the two ESCs controlling the motors. This is our driver PCB that allows us to increase and decrease the motor speeds and connects to also the left and right curve shot triggers. We also have the rev trigger, and we added a circular LED just for fun. To sum up, I think the benefits of using brushless motors are that you get a lot more power, range, and control. And the way the flywheels connect to the shaft of the motor makes them almost indestructible. However, what I have noticed is that beyond a certain point, a higher RPM doesn't give you a significantly higher FPS. Instead, it reduces the accuracy, tears the rival rounds a little bit, and uses a lot more battery. So you're better off adjusting the speed of your motors to that sweet spot that's best for your game. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.